Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about the best curbside deals over at Walgreens. What a curbside deal is you're ordering this stuff through the app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is curbside pickup, and you pay for it before you drive to the store, but it is that easy. Now, if you are a shopper that prefers to do stuff in store, you want to see what you're buying, I recommend you watch yesterday's video and all deals with register rewards. Yesterday's video, curbside, no register rewards in play. Hopefully that is crystal clear. Now, yesterday's video, I was picking up some clearance. I got the Cucumber Dove Vitacare, or it's a deodorant, and my 6 off 2 digital didn't attach. I didn't get the register reward, but the machine was also down. But I did explain the deal, and a couple of you guys went and did the deal and had success. Do this deal at your discretion or watch yesterday's video, but I thank everybody who shared. And I did get in touch with customer service that my 6 off of 2, I didn't get it. And they actually awarded me $6 of Walgreens cash for a missed coupon because they saw it my way. So I thought 50-50, but I actually got my $6. If you could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, if you could give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out if you guys can take a second and just like the video. Deal number 1. Okay, so for this deal, we are going to be grabbing a bunch of makeup. Neutrogena, a lot of it is 50% off, so we're going to grab one of these correct primers for redness for $8.79 and one of their lip colors or lip crayon. They're both really nice. And we're going to load $7 in digitals, a $4 and a $3, and these what they look like. So load these coupons, and who doesn't love Neutrogena makeup? I certainly love it. And then we're also going to grab 3 of these RIMMEL Stay Matte liquid lip colors, and I have a whole mess of coupons that are attaching specifically to lip products. So if you have been loading coupons just like why not get a whole bunch of freebies? You might have to diversify a bunch of different colors because, it's clearance, so it might be harder to track them down. But this is what the coupon should look like, and I had a whole mess of them. Little item to throw into your purse is one of these Advils at $3.79. You would find this in store, like in the travel area where they have all the little tiny shampoos and stuff. $3.79 for this. And we have a $3 digital right now that is attaching, making it 79 cents for this Advil, and definitely something to throw in your purse. And then just to get the math to balance, we're going to grab one of these 4-packs of toilet paper for $1.99. And this is very similar to Charmin Strong. I think it's probably made in the same factory. So looking at the math, a whole bunch of Rimmel, Neutrogena, Advil, Neutrogena, everything's coming off. And I also used the code WAG10, and I think I might have saved like 20 cents or something very small, but it got cropped off. There it is. So my overall basket was $24.53. WAG10 took 28 cents off, tax, and $14.47 in digital coupons melting off. So my total here is $11.24. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.24 and call this a very smart basket. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, I think it's one everybody should do, and this one you can do either in store or you could do it curbside. Unfortunately, codes like WAG10 or whatever, I could not get it to work. So if you want to do this one in store, because it has to deal with a receipt, I would do it that way. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the Scott toilet paper and then 2 of the Scott paper towels. So that is they are on a buy one get one 50% off, so it's $7.50 for every 2, so that's $15 total. Now we have 2 digital coupons in the app, $1 off of both, so make sure you have both of these loaded for the Scott. And then if you go over to your Checkout 51 account, and hopefully you're part of that rebate app, you can apply for an extra $1 for the toilet paper and an extra $1 for the paper towel. Extra $2 back with Checkout 51, and this is at all stores. So how great is that? So just to show you, I'm saving my $2. Unfortunately, I could not get a coupon or discount code to work. Maybe you'll have better luck than I, but You know, if you're dealing with a receipt and your store is pretty strict, maybe the easiest way to do this one is do it in store. But $15, free curbside pickup, 90 cents tax, $2 melting off. You can use up to $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $3.90, and then you're going to photograph your receipt to checkout 51 to get the extra $2 back. But you need a receipt. So if your store always refuses receipts or there's always a problem, just do this one in store because there's no crazy savings with a WAG 10 or an extra coupon code. This was something that was news to me up to last month, but one of you guys actually mentioned it in a YouTube comment that the component to make any paper product is an ingredient called pulp, and it's from Canada. If these tariffs actually go through end of the month, this is one product we're going to have to start paying a lot more for, because even though the paper is made here in the USA, the ingredient or the component of it is from Canada. So just a little food for thought. When Aunt Rach is saying stock up on paper, it's with a lot of love, guys, because I think we might be paying a bit more for this. Maybe yes, maybe no, but it's just a smart thing to have extra in your stockpile. A lot of us are not only couponers, but we're also preppers. Okay, this next deal is absolutely fantastic if you love Tide. So there is a larger Tide, and it's a larger bottle, 105 ounces for $15.99. So it's the 80 loader, and we have a $4 digital that's attaching. Alternatively, if you want to grab the really large Tide Pod, you can swap, but these are the $4 coupons that right now are attaching. So just to show you the $4 melting off, along with the code WAG10 for an extra $1.20 off. So this one obviously is a great deal to do curbside to get that extra $1.20 of savings. So the overall total for your basket is $15.99. $1.20 with WAG10, free curbside pickup and 89 cents in tax, $4 digital also melting off for you guys. So you're paying $11.68. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you have it, go for it and pay $1.68. If you wanted to grab both this and the Tide Pods, do it, and it would be $20 out of pocket, and you'd pay the balance, which would be like close to $3. Okay, the final deal that I have for you is deal number 4, and for this one, we're grabbing some of this Renew. It's a multi-purpose eye solution. Now, we have 2 coupons that are attaching. The top one is a Walgreens coupon that says unlimited use, the dead giveaway right there, and a 6 off of 1, which is your manufacturer. We're also going to grab one of these fancier $10 Cottonelles, because some of you love Cottonelle, and we're going to load a $1 digital to accompany that. To get the math to balance, I threw in some clearance candy at 80% off, whatever your store might have, or even throw in something else cheap that you want to add in. Just to show you the chorus line, $1, $2.99, $6.90 with the code WAG10. The overall total is $20.38, $3.89 with the contact lens cleaner, and then WAG10, 91 cents in tax, $7 melting off. So the total here is $10.40. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 40 cents and call this a super duper basket. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.